I may not post a lot of baseball content recently, but I have to talk about them. Our baseball team sa SEA Games is currently 4-0, and they are destroying competition at Bangkok. You know what time it is? Hands in. Yung kanilang naging unang laban was against Indonesia and they defeated them 14-0. And then they won against Singapore 17-3. Tapos tinalo nila yung Malaysia 21-0 and eventually defeating Vietnam with a score of 20-1. Holy shit, they're going crazy, bro. Baka nagtataka kayong lahat bakit sobrang lakas natin at hindi nababalita. That's the point. Based on my research, we're actually 24th in the world, which is not bad at all. We've reached this point na kaya nating maipagsabayan sa world stage at ang susunod nating makakalaban ay yung host country na Thailand, who I believe is ranked number 35. Sila yung susunod sa atin pagdating sa Southeast Asia. But hey, given this dominant performance, sobrang nagiging impressive sila and I just hope na meron silang coverage because they deserve it. From my research, wala yung baseball over the past 2 SEA Games installments. Pero ngayon na nagbabalik, pinapaita ng Pilipinas that there is a reason why the baseball program here in the Philippines should be studied and promoted even more. And the top 2 teams will be fighting for that gold medal match.